In this video, we will learn how to text inside shape in Adobe Illustrator. First, write your text. Then, click the pen tool from the toolbar. Draw any shape you like. Select the text and the shape together. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus C from the keyboard. As you can see, the text has gone inside the shape. In this way, we will try using another shape. Thanks for watching the video.